Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study math with ChatGPT. First, understand that ChatGPT can be a powerful virtual math tutor, offering clear explanations for complex concepts. It's like having a personal guide to walk you through challenging topics. You can ask it to break down ideas, provide definitions, or even rephrase explanations until they truly click for you. This personalized approach helps build a strong foundation in any math subject. To get the most out of ChatGPT, crafting effective prompts is key. Clearly state the math concept you're working on and what kind of help you need. For instance, ask for a step-by-step solution to an algebraic equation or an explanation of calculus differentiation. You can also request real-world scenarios to see how math applies to everyday life, making learning more engaging and practical. The more detail you provide, the better the response will be. ChatGPT is excellent for practice. Ask it to create specific math problems, like 5 quadratic equations or 3 geometry proofs. After you solve them, you can input your answers and ask ChatGPT to verify them, providing immediate feedback. This iterative process helps you learn from mistakes and reinforces your understanding. You can practice a wide range of topics, from basic arithmetic to more advanced subjects like calculus, ensuring comprehensive skill development. For advanced study, ChatGPT can help create personalized study guides or summarize complex math theories. While ChatGPT itself doesn't draw graphs, plugins like Wolfram can integrate to provide powerful computational and visualization capabilities. Remember to always verify AI-generated solutions with reliable sources like textbooks. And for more great resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. This comprehensive approach will significantly boost your math learning journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.